Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro, the speed demon of 3D printing, precision, power, perfection. Breakneck speed, unmatched efficiency. Tired of waiting hours for your 3D prints? The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro redefines speed with its blazing 170 mm per hour, fast printing using high-speed resin. Even standard resin gets a speed boost, reaching up to 130 mm per hour. Whether it's intricate models or large projects, this beast delivers in record time. With its lightning-fast performance, you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating. This is 3D printing at warp speed, game-changing efficiency like never before. 14K high-precision perfection. Ready to create jaw-dropping models with mind-blowing details? The Photon Mono M7 Pro's 14K monochrome LCD screen boasts a stunning 13,312 by 5,120 resolution with a microscopic 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers XY precision. It can handle features as fine as 0.3 mm, ensuring your designs stand out with extraordinary clarity. Whether you're crafting intricate miniatures or complex prototypes, this printer offers the precision of a master sculptor. Say hello to professional-grade results from the comfort of your workspace. Light up your world with Light Turbo 3.0. The Advanced OB Light Turbo 3.0 system elevates your printing game with unparalleled light uniformity, more than 90%, and precision. Its Fresnel lenses and reflectors optimize every layer exposure, while the light-off compensation algorithm increases print success rates. Models emerge flawless, error-free, and crisp. Why settle for mediocrity when you can have perfection? It's like the M7 Pro has its own secret sauce for achieving immaculate prints every single time. Smarter printing, fewer hassles. This printer doesn't just work hard, it works smart. Features like auto resin refill, residue detection, and dynamic temperature control ensure optimal performance at every step. Intelligent assist functions like failed print detection and platform installation status save you from costly mistakes. With its user-friendly workflow and smart alerts, the Photon Mono M7 Pro makes 3D printing a seamless, worry-free experience. Spend less time troubleshooting and more time bringing your ideas to life. Affordable tech marvel, built to last. Why splurge on overpriced alternatives when the Photon Mono M7 Pro delivers top-notch performance at a fraction of the cost? Its durable build, cutting-edge tech, and thoughtful design make it a long-term investment. From hobbyists to professionals, this printer checks every box for quality, reliability, and innovation. With Anycubic's trusted legacy, you're not just buying a printer, you're stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Let your creativity run wild without breaking the bank.